Okay, so we have the Clubman here. It needs some restoration on the black trim. So we are going to be using Solution Finish, our favorite trim restorer. We do carry the PSS by KCX, but that is more of a maintenance product. It's not going to be a restoration product. That's going to be for maintaining your black trim. That I love because it's silicone free and it does give hydrophobic qualities to the plastics, and it absorbs into pretty much any type of plastics. But for everything else, we use Solution Finish. This is to bring it back. This is obviously needs to be rehabbed. It's pretty rough. And I'm going to pair it with the Clean Korea microfiber applicator pad. These things are extremely thin. I've been using them with ceramic coatings, used it with PSS, and I've been impressed. So there's a couple things on here that have really impressed me, that have kind of shown me different things that I haven't found in other applicators. So I guess you guys will have to see it for yourself in this video as well. Let's do it. I'll show you guys. So I'm going to apply a little bit of Solution Finish. If you guys have used Solution Finish, you know a little bit goes a long way. So just put a few dabs on there. I'm going to start with that much. Let's see how this goes. This is wet. It looks like there's something penetrated through there. As you can see, this is probably going to need 2 treatments because it's pretty dry. And I'm going to go so that's the first pass. I'm going to go through and knock it down and remove residual with a Rip-N Rag. I'll link that in the description. Rip-N Rag's perfect for this type of work. And that rag's just going to be tossed when we're done. So now I'm going to try the second. Might be a little too early to do the second one, but I just want to kind of show you. And sometimes when there's tiger striping and there's heavy stuff, and there's heavy discoloration, sometimes there's just nothing you can do. We're here to remedy. Can't always perfect damage. We try to do our best, but that's still going to be a big difference from what it was. It's more uniform. It's cleaner looking. But that's what we were looking at before. So we'll bring you along to do this bottom. Okay, so we'll do the bottom trim. And this has already been panel prepped. It looks like there was some again, just a few more drops. And as you can see, for being a thin applicator pad, nothing has gone through. I'm really impressed with the absorbency of these applicator pads and how well it's stretching the product. We did a ceramic coating the other day on a Dodge Ram, and I thought for sure we were going to have to use more than one microfiber pad, or applicator, but we actually didn't. It held up strong and it took care of the whole car, and I felt like we used less product than we normally do. I felt like it yielded a lot more. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to do this in a uniform motion, so you're not leaving any blotchiness behind. Couple more drops. That's it. So I think I've used a total of about 10 drops. Well, not really drops, just kind of dab and it's not penetrating as much right now. But still seeing improvement, which is all we could hope for in a vehicle of this age. And this goes through the drive-through car wash weekly. And it's ceramic coated. We ceramic coated it last year. Use a little clean side to kind of get the edge. So there we go. Solution finish. Huge difference. Big difference. Let's go see the other side. So it starts down there where we didn't do it. Let's see this other side. Ooh. That's what it looks like over here. So we went from that to this. Much better. Nice little final touches. Alright, and microfiber pad is looking good. I still have a whole other side I can use, but I'm still going to continue to use this side. So this is post, pre. Just the light here for you. Yeah, this is what we're looking at. Before and after. So if you're looking for this, I'll link it. If you're looking for Solution Finish, I'll link it. Like, subscribe, share. Catch you guys on the next one.